Welcome back to Tech Express, your navigator into the digital business world. Today, we're going to be talking about building a business that lasts on Shopify. If you're aiming for long-term success and sustainability, this is the guide you need. So let's get into it. First of all, laying the foundation. Now, a strong foundation begins with a solid business plan. You want to do the most important part of it. The most important part, define your niche, understand your target audience, and set clear goals. So what I hate the most is to make the actual research, but at the end of the day is the most important thing when it comes to focused into what matters the most. So you can explore where you wanted to sell your stuff, for example, directly into trends, Google Trends, right? So if I focus into the trending and explore section, let's say, for example, that I'm willing to sell stuff into United States, for example. So here I can type United States, and from the past, the people are willing to interested into college football, Israel, NFL League, American football sport, custom dresses. So I wanted to look out for actually something that is really important for them for the past 12 months. And still, there's the World Cup, there's a job, there's a create list, there's a 2023 topic, the Walmart, the Meaning, the Sam's Club, Home Depot, Netflix, Google, Apple, Target, and much more. So try to find here into the old categories. Let's say, for example, they're willing to sell stuff that, let's say, into sports, for example. So I choose sports. And here into sports, I have the Common World Cup, there's some leagues, there's baseball stuff. So check out what are the niche that people are actually willing to buy. And you can look out for more sections, for example, the Niche Explorer. Now, the Niche Explorer has a free trial, or here's the Ahrefs. Now here into the Ahrefs, you can check out that the niche market examples, browsing existing builders, businesses here. For example, there's the Empire Flippers. Another solution is to try the ChatGPT For example, ChatGPT is going to be helping you to do a lot of research with the artificial intelligence. You can ask, for example, find me affordable applications to find the best niche, or help me find the best niche for a long-term successfully Shopify website using this kind of elements. Or I wanted to focus into people from 18 to 24, or I wanted to focus for people who are based into Canada or Mexico or United States or United Kingdom only. So ChatGPT is going to be making it really great research. This might be taking the whole day for you guys, but I believe like if you find a really great and a specific niche, the rest is going to be really easy. Now for this tool, I have using here an actual website that I created for some Christmas season, but what I can totally suggest you is to not do this kind of website, because these websites only work with the actual seasons. For example, if I wanted to do something for New Year's Eve, of course, it is only working into December and the very first week of January. If I do this kind of website, it is going to be working only for December only, and the rest of the year I'm not going to be driving any kind of sales. So you wanted to look out for needs that can be working 24/7, the 35 and 6, the 365 days of the year. So this is just a website that we created, really easy, just an example of what you can do for customization, but not for the actual niche and to drive long-term stuff. So now choosing the right products. Now select products that are not just profitable but also have lasting appeal. Consider market trends, customer needs, and sustainability. Once again, you can try the Google Trends here. If I know that I'm willing to sell products, in this case, let's say for example from Christmas decors, I can go here into add the search terms. So let's go for Christmas home decorations, right? People are selling and people are interested into home decor stores. Target, Michael's, gingerbread Christmas decors. So this is the actual information that I'm willing to check out. So Golden Retriever Christmas decors, Home Depot Christmas trees, Marshalls, Re-Ender Christmas decors, home bargains. All of this information is going to be really helping me to drive and look out for more products as I am just getting started into this actual selling stuff. Now, building a strong brand. Your brand is your promise to your customers. It should reflect your values, the mission, and what sets you apart. And this website that we have just done here we do have a few stuff basically and based into Christmas. For example, we are trying to aim for find the best three homes for your home. So here what we wanted to do is to look out for a really great branding logo, a really great catalog based into something specific. Once again, this is not what we actually recommend you, but as an example, the actual niche category is Christmas, and inside that niche category is the actual home decor. So I have something really specific. Now I am just going to be based into the home decors of Christmas. So this decoration is going to be helping me to drive a specific amount of clients. I am not selling whatever Christmas stuff. So I am selling only home decorations for Christmas. And now inside in here we do have some blocks from home decor ideas. So we wanted to bring value to our customers. We're going to be helping them to find out what is the best tool to make great decorations for Christmas. So this is what you wanted to do. You wanted to aim to bring value to your customers. Now focusing on customer experience, exceptional customer services and seamless shopping experience are key to retain customers. Now we bring value to our customers with our website, but what can we do to help it create an exceptional customer service? There's three things that I added to this website. One of them is the actual live support. We wanted to help them every time they needed something. Number two, the email template. So for example, if I have some abandoned card, someone is willing to buy this product, but at the end of the day, just sign out. They just close the website. When somebody abandoned an actual card, going to be receiving something like this. Forgot something, here's the actual product they forgot, and I offer them an actual discount for your full card. Here you go, continue shopping. So this is going to be helping me to, let's say, gain more customers, to bring value and to exceptionalize my customer services. So it's going to be really useful to do that. Now, embracing sustainable practices. You can incorporate sustainable and ethical practices into your business models. Now, this is not just good for the planet, but it also resonates with your customers. Now, sustainable practices, let's say for example that here into the information on your products, you wanted to tell people that you do, I don't know, so eco stuff, you make recycle every once in a year, you use this amount of money to save the environmental stuff. So it's going to be really helpful to resonate with your customers in that space. Now, leveraging marketing and CEO. Now, use a mix of marketing strategies to reach your audience. Now, CEO, content marketing, and social media are key components. CEO inside Shopify can be directly added into your application app store. For example, I can go into Shopify app store, look out for CEO, and it's going to be helping me to see tools and applications that can be helping me to let's say look out for some organic traffic and much more. For example, there's the Yoast, there's the Booster CEO, there's the Smart CEO, there's the Ibarra CEO. There's a lot of stuff that can be helping you to boost your CEO. And lastly, you have the analyzing and adapting. Now, regularly analyze your business performances. Now, use data from Shopify Analytics to make informed decisions. This is why what I wanted to do is to look out for the analytics inside my Shopify store. Every single time I wanted to see what people are doing inside my store. How many total orders do I have? How many online store seasons do I have? How many customer hold analytics I have? How many people from different countries I have here? I wanted to see how many abandoned cards I have, top selling product, which is the device that people use the most, and so on and on. So with all this information, I believe that you can have a really strong and really useful website that you can have with an actual really long term, which is like the most important value of all this actual video, is to find the right niche, something that people are willing to buy something that people are willing to buy at any time of the year. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this TechSpress video. Here is your success into creating a business that thrives for years to come. Thank you once again for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you on the next video.